Hi Zal, why are you laughing at me? I have cold and cough. How about you? I mean, how are you today, tomorrow? Merry Christmas, Zal. Pag maganda talaga, masarap sa paningin. Sino maganda? Ano pag pangit? Sakit sa mata? Dali Cortez! Hi! Oh my gosh! I am Cortez also, you know? My name is Shame Cortez. But my palayaw is Tisha. That's why I'm using the name Tisha on my channel. Sarap sa ilong. Hi, beautiful, sweet. Hi, Mr. Milcher. How are you? Hope you're doing well today. Ikalak, hello. How are you, darling? I can't breathe in this cold. Pistiyawa. How are you been? Huh? How have you been? Anong how have you been, boy? I'm good. I'm fine, thank you. You're looking so lovely. Wow. Are you guys eating? Excuse me then. Because I'm sneezing here. Hindi na ako makahinga. Why are you crying? You are looking so lovely. Oh my gosh, I claim it. Amen. Hi, darling. I can't read your name, but yeah, I appreciate you're there. Thank you so much. Guys, I